Good afternoon, viewers. Today again we are at a beautiful property developed by Assets Group, which is Earth and Essence. So this is the main entry to the row villa property. So this is how you enter, and that is the clubhouse. And these are the 5-bedroom villas. This is how the 5-bedroom villas would look like. So now this particular unit number is 605. So 604 is this particular row villa number, and this is how you drive in straight and then straight into the parking space. They're doing up with the leveling of the land for the road, driveway and parking area there. So this is the parking space and the entry. A foyer space for your storage area here. The thing is already built in. And this is the living space, the dining area, the dining space and the kitchen space here. One beauty about this development is you have good lighting, ventilation everywhere, natural lighting specifically. And this dining space opens towards the private garden area, and from the private garden area you have a entry towards the central landscape. So kitchen at the ground level here, spacious kitchens, the kitchen space. Powder room at the ground level here. As you see, it's well lit because of the skylights. There's even a provision for the lift in place, and again a garden space within the home going to level 1. And again private families, a kind of a small living space here at level 1 also. You've got good living spaces here. This is how you come out of the lift, then to the spaces. This is 1 bedroom here with good full length French windows kind of option. The bedroom space. There's the built-in closet, so your wardrobe sits in here. You've got good space for your bedroom, and this is the attached washroom. Good spacious washrooms in here. The pot space, the sink space. So if you're looking for dedicated work from home spaces, you've got good space to be utilized as an office space at each and every level. And this is the 2nd bedroom here. The 2nd bedroom here. And again you have everywhere tucked in wardrobe spaces, so you don't have to worry about the wardrobe and the bed sizes. And the attached washroom with all the fixtures in here. Good spacious washrooms. And again at level 1 also you have a double high ceiling. Cross lighting, ventilation because of the skylight everywhere. Heading towards level 2. So level 2 you come out of the lift and staircase. You have the bedroom here. So again this is the bedroom. The bedroom spaces here. At level 2 you get sit outs, the balconies overlooking the central landscape areas. In this bedroom also you have a walk-in closet, the walk-in wardrobe, so all your wardrobe sits in here, and a attached washroom. Look at the lighting in the washroom also because of the skylights here. Washrooms in here. So this is the 4th bedroom on level 2. So again spacious bedroom sizes. The bedroom size is pretty good in here, and all your bedrooms comes with a walk-in wardrobe, a closet space. So you got good space to keep your clothes in there, and the attached washroom here, sink and the bathing space. And on level 2 you get good sit out spaces. Again a planter box. If you are a plant garden lover, you got good spaces in and around within your home. And this is the kind of the overall view, the backyard, where on the left that is the Sammy's Dreamland, and again this would be the extension of the same property, as you see the compound wall there. So this is the terrace space, completely tiled in here, and you got good terrace space, and again the planter box if you're a garden lover. And at the terrace you have the servant quarter option here, where you have this particular room, what you see, which is actually locked, is actually a servant quarter, where you have a room for the servant. And here, this is the washroom in place. And again, exploring the internal beauty with landscape planter boxes. This is the view of the internal neighborhood, which opens towards the central club. And this is the external view of the abundant greenery when you come back home, the peace and serene location. So for further details, contact PropTech Realty, one of the major marketing partners for major developers dealing in luxury budget segment in place. Thank you.